thank you for joining us on this amazing journey. We're so grateful that you stuck around until the end. In this video, we took you to the beautiful cliffs of Cascais, Portugal, where we enjoyed the stunning view of Atlantic Ocean. Even though it was winter, the streets were quiet, giving us the perfect opportunity to find a peaceful spot to sit and watch the breathtaking sunset. And you know what made it even better? We brought us along a homemade snack, a delicious raisin roll to enjoy while we soaked in the magical moment. The combination of incredible scenery, the calm atmosphere, and the tasty treat made it a truly unforgettable experience. Cascais, with its secluded charm and nearby lighthouse, provided the perfect backdrop for our adventure. Now, we wanted to thank you from our bottom of our hearts for clicking and watching this video. Your support means a world to us. Now, please stay tuned